best on the planet, and that's one of the reasons why.
Molina, lo marca Blin, sigue Nahuel, sigue Molina, este es Messi. Arma Messi, engancha Messi, apunta Messi, mete Messi, gran pase para Molina.
I'm hungry.
Suarez around, but likely just window dressing. 5 in the wall, and they're guarding that left 25. Sneaks it low, deflected home. He's got his second, and Barca's up 3-1.
Space now for Thiago. Messi. Oh, brilliant! Gas from the crowd. Messi! We just wanted to see the net bulge. Well, that perhaps is the touch of the season.
Away we go at the Decathlon Arena. Lille versus Paris Saint-Germain, and Paris Saint-Germain with a huge chance. It's incredible. Paris Saint-Germain have scored and make it 8 seconds.
Ronaldinho gathers speed past Ramos. Elguera comes to meet him. He goes past Elguera. Ronaldinho at his very best. Unstoppable. Now Ronaldinho, he wants to make it 3-0. Goes past Elguera as if he isn't there and puts it through the legs. A master at work.
Wow, awesome.
You are watching one of the all-time greats at the peak of his powers. That was awesome.
Absolutely superb. And listen to the fans here, Real Madrid fans applauding that individual goal from Ronaldinho. I tell you what, you go a long time before you see that again.
Football, bring a ball with you on the road, man.